Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Thanks for riding along with Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you're into car care products, you of course know the name Autogeek. Now, Autogeek, Robyn, has been around for 30 years. How did the company start, and then how did it evolve?
Autogeek started as a retail store and evolved into a catalog company. And then in the 90s, when websites started coming out, Autogeek created a website, and now we're one of the largest website dealers for car care solutions.
Wow, thousands of customers every day going to Autogeek to get what they need. And something you're featuring now is your Speedmaster series?
That's correct.
How did that start?
Well, one of the most popular products to this date that we started with was the Speedmaster wheel brush, and that's kind of evolved. Now we have the Junior too, but it's a great product. It's very popular through detailers and DIYers.
And what's the gist? It's called Speedmaster. Why?
It makes everything efficient for you, super easy to use, super easy to clean your wheels inside and out. It's flexible, so obviously gets the job done a lot quicker.
And the Speedmaster series is all about getting things done quicker. Over here, this is a towel, the likes of which I've never seen.
Okay, so instead of traditional clay, that's a clay towel, and the one on top there is a clay mitt. And you get a lot more usage out of that. You can get actually like 50 to 80 uses out of it. Better than traditional clay, meaning that if you drop it on the ground and it picks up any debris, you can actually just rinse it off and get right back to work.
And then you're working on your wheels with the brushes, and you also have this mitt here.
The mitt.
For the wheels.
Yeah, so that's great because you can use it on the faces of the wheels, where this might get into the holes and nooks and crannies. The mitt is small, so you can put it right on your hand and get right into maybe the spokes area and the faces of the wheels. It rinses super clean, so when it picks up the grime and the road dust, it traps it, doesn't let it scratch, but then you can rinse it out very clean.
Now, before we go any further, people might be thinking paid spokesperson, but that's not the case. You have used the products from Autogeek before.
Yeah, so I have a detail shop, and every product here you see on the table is in my shop, and I use it almost daily.
And the towel is something that you've raved about. Tell me what that's called.
So it's called the notorious DRY.
Perfect.
Super, super absorbent, and you can dry a whole car with just one towel and then reuse it after that. My favorite towel.
And then some brushes too. There's a difference between the two there.
Yep, one's very soft for delicate surfaces, so no scratching, but this package here comes with 5 different sizes so that you can get into all the nooks and crannies.
And with all 5, of course, you can cover any kind of surface or any little gap there as well.
Yep.
And this is an interior scrubber, if you will?
Yes, so for hard surfaces, leather, plastic, vinyl, gets into nooks and crannies with this nice point on the end here too.
I like it. And you make the job easier for detailers and for folks at home that are working on their vehicles, because there's a stool that you have as well.
So the creeper stool, the detailer stool, it's got a little caddy, got great caster wheels on it, easy to slide around, comfortable to sit in. You can put all your tools and products in it while you're scooting around the car.
As you can see, the Speedmaster line has everything you need to make your job more efficient. You get done a lot quicker, and it's a lot easier. Check them out online at autogeek.net/Motorhead. And oh, by the way, when you go there, type in the promo code Speedmaster25 for 25% off.